So last week I started working on my new project called Little Earth. We got a few basics down, we did some basic drawings on paper, and from the base we got to something that looked like this, to just a normal landing page for the application. We got some login pages and stuff like that. This week I haven't had just as much time as I did last week, so I haven't gotten as much done, but I've tried to work on some other things, which you will see throughout the video. And yeah, we're getting somewhere. One thing that I've noticed that I would like to look into is currently the way the application works. It forces users to create an account. And as of now, it's email, password. We'll probably go over to some kind of OAuth like Google or Apple, since that's platforms I'm going to be using. But I would like to figure out a way to not force users to create an account at all. You would still have the possibility to, more to be able to transfer progress between devices if that's something you want to do. But other than that, I don't think users should be forced. Of course, if I'm gonna add a social aspect of like a friends list and tracking and leaderboards and stuff like that, then you're gonna have to log in. But I feel like that's an optional part of the app. But I'm thinking I'm gonna leave that for next week. Might do some over the weekend. I just got off a night shift, so not sure how much I'm gonna do today, but we'll see. Without further ado, here's what I've done this week on Little Earth. The store page is right now not very big. Currently there are 7 upgrades. I'm thinking we should get somewhere along like maybe 40-50. I'm also thinking we should make it like a tree where each upgrade will give you special bonuses, and then you'll have options to choose between upgrade A and upgrade B, which will give you different bonuses, which will obviously impact the way you're gaining scores and stuff like that. But we're looking into that a bit further. As of right now, you can purchase the upgrades with your star coins, which loads to a database. We will see if that's maybe something we're gonna swap around a bit more. Probably gonna have to optimize the prices, because right now I think the biggest upgrade is 2,000 coins, which I guess if you did a really long study session with orbits implemented, you could do that quite quickly. But 2,000 minutes is yeah, that's like 25 hours. so we're gonna bring that down a bit. But yeah. These basic layout screens are not too advanced. I want to do some slight improvements during the development, but right now my focus is mainly getting the idea of the layouts and making them work. The idea with the timer is that you're gonna have a little spaceship that orbits, and every orbit will give you a bonus. Currently the orbits are 25 minutes. I'm starting to think that might be a slight bit too far. I might bring it down to maybe 15 minutes, maybe even 10. And then we also need to get some SVG drawing stuff to, like, I want to show the orbit progress, and then when it goes around it resets. Just some visual feedback. I also am thinking I should probably add a way to pause the timer. Although I'm thinking maybe if you pause, you should lose your orbit timer. Not sure though, we'll see. But yeah, this page is basically just a simple timer as of now. It's a simple interval JavaScript code piece, which just adds a second, and then basically it has some states where it looks like, okay, is it less than 10, then I'll add a 0 before, and then it just keeps going up. When it reaches 60, it adds 1 point to the state minute. Yeah, just simple timer, nothing too advanced. On the homepage, I haven't done that much. I created a header which tracks the player's current currency. As of now, the 2 boxes are only for displaying how many minutes you started in total and how like your progress, like how many upgrades. In the future, I would like to put that against the database if the user is logged in. After we've implemented some way to store in the local storage for applications, which I haven't really figured out. I've looked at some async storage, but yeah, we'll figure that out when that time comes. This week I've been working a lot. I've been doing night shifts in the ER, so my energy's been pretty low. I've tried to get some work in here and there when I've had the time, but mostly I've been dealing with some simpler stuff. Trying to focus on stuff I knew I could get done fairly quickly in like short amounts of time. Next week I'm gonna be working even more, so I'm not sure how much time I'm gonna be able to do there, but I'll still try to get some stuff done. I'll still throw out an update and we'll see how far we've gone. I think my goal for next week at least is going to be removing the forced login and make that optional, so that you basically, when you download the app, you'll just be able to start, you'll go do your study sessions, unlock your scores, do whatever you want, and then if you want to play with the socials and you want to be on the leaderboard and you want to save your progress, then you'll have to create an account. But I do think forcing users to create an account is a bad idea, so I'm going to try to move away from that. But that's for next week, yeah, that's all I've had time to do this week on Little Earth. Hopefully we'll get some more stuff done next week, but I'll see the progress update for then. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed, leave a comment. I would love any tips, as I'm still fairly new to this. Any help is greatly appreciated. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next week's update.